just because of the way she said it, couldn't be scamming a bank because that's not the way you do it.
No.
But that's okay. I want to tell you how to do it. I'm going to adjourn this out to August 14th, 2026 at 3 p.m. I'm going to put down in here that you'll pay that 30 Peninsula Place versus PO. So I got it wrong.
Yeah, Joe.
So what is that?
I'm Dominican, so it's like Haitian.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, but I mean, I wanted to do French, and I wanted to do Spanish, and I'm going to mess it up like I did the last time. All right. Where are we on her case?
So basically, the $10,000 thing. My bank is like investigating me for like scamming and fraud, so they haven't like cleared my. I have the $3,000 that I owe, but since it outdid to the 10,000, they're trying to not give me for scamming, but they need me to verify. So I talked to somebody with them earlier. Her name's Ashley. She said basically I have 10 days, and I was like, okay.
Ashley said what?
Whatever office that she is a part of, because I called.
That she being who?
Or the
pointing at Holly?
Who owns the person, not Holly, the person who's getting represented by, who's representing Penn Place.
Yeah.
Yeah. I called the office place, the attorney office, and I told her exactly what I'm saying to you. And she was like,
you'll have 10 days to get it paid.
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know they had a judge in their office.
No, not the.
Okay, no, I'm just saying that.
No, I was trying to be proactive before the court.
Oh, I know.
Okay.
Probably in pricing you of what could happen.
Okay.
All right. So the 10 isn't gonna. You don't know when that's gonna clear.
So I didn't have the 10,000 clearly. I had exactly what I owed them, but because I pressed submit so many times, it came out to $10,000. So yes. So because I did that, they said they were going to return my original 3,500 that I owed. But because I did the 10,000, they're saying I'm scamming.
Who says that?
My bank, Huntington.
Okay.
So I have like.
Who's returning the money?
So Huntington is going to return. It was only 3,600 in there. It was only 3,600, but it overdrafted. It was ACH. It overdrafted it to 10,000. So they're going to return me my 3,000.
What?
MIP show.
And you said the origin of that is what?
Dominican? Haitian?
Dominican. Okay. Is that how they do this down here?
No.
Okay.
I'm just saying, I think I'm scamming them because I did an ACH of $10,000. So I'm just waiting for my original 3,600 to be put in my account. But if that doesn't happen sooner than later, I am able to make other constitutions, make other plans.
Okay, young lady. When can you get this paid?
I
hope without having to hit any buttons.
I was gonna hopefully. I was hoping that by next week, put the funds back in my account.
When is paid?
I could get it paid on the 31st. I could get it paid on the 31st.
Are you sure?
Yes, that would. If they don't put it in my account, I could get it from somewhere else.
I don't know what that is. I don't want to know. Okay, so by the 31st,
yes.
Hey.
Yes.
All right. What I'm gonna do. And how much is your monthly rent?
$860.
So how are you gonna get that paid?
Oh, for next month. Oh, I have a job. Oh, I have like money. I have a job. I'm good for my new balance. I just need to pay this previous balance. Yes. I'm good for the.
So when are you gonna have August?
So I'll have August. I don't have that on the 3rd. It's only $860. I get paid. I'm just saying this 3,000 that they took put me in a hole. I owe 3,000 to them.
So
I'm gonna have August.
I don't know what to do. I really don't.
I will have August as present.
Okay.
Yes.
And then you'll be able to keep that up. But by the
Yes.
31st, you can get all of this clear.
Yes.
I don't know what it is.
I can. I was trying to get the funds back to me without having to reach into my family and stuff because I don't want to hear their mouths, but if I have to do that.
Wow. Wow. I don't want to hear the mouth. Maybe me. All right. Here's what I'm going to do. And this might be an unwise call on my part, but I'm for this young lady.
Thank you.
Just because of the way she said it, couldn't be scamming a bank because that's not the way you do it.
No.
But that's okay. I don't want to tell you how to do it. I'm going to adjourn this out to August 14th, 2026 at 3 p.m. I'm going to put down in here that you'll pay that $3,600 by July 31st. So I will be angry if it's not paid.
Understood.
You got to talk to your family.
Understood.
Okay. And since I'm going out to that date, your August rent will click in. Right? So you got to have that paid. But if you're going to pay that by the 3rd, get this 36. You're going to be, it's 36.94, council. Is that right?
Well, Your Honor, it was, and then she had NSF fees because
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So what's your current balance because of NSF? Because she clicked the button.
$35 for each one, and there were 4 payments and 4 reversals, and I understand she's waiting for them.
Wow.
I was clicking like I was like I was.
So what do you have? How much is owed?
I have 3804.17 because it looks like another late fee came in, another $30. Hope my math.
Okay, so 3804.17.
It's everything with the cost, right?
That's with the cost.
It's with the cost.
3804.17. So can you get that paid by the 31st?
I will be going to my parents with my head down. Yes, I will. I can get that paid. I can.
I'd love to hear that come. No.
No, you don't.
All right. You pay the 3804 by July 31st, and then get your August rent paid on time. I'm going to adjourn it out to the 14th. If everything is paid and your account is 0, I do not need to see you on the 14th.
Okay.
Let me repeat that. If everything's paid, do not come back in here.
Okay.
All right. Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome, young lady. Have a good weekend. Is that it for you, counsel?
It is, Your Honor. Have a great weekend.
You too. And hello, Holly. How are you?
I'm well. Thank you very much, Your Honor. Have a wonderful weekend.
You too.
Thanks.
Ridgewood, Ypsilanti versus Anthony James.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Mark Schlesinger appearing on behalf of plaintiff.
Your name?
Anthony James.
All right. And how much is owing on his account?
Judge, as we sit here today with cost $906.81.
All right. So about where we were. How are we going to get that paid?
I need some time at least, man. I work. I got a job. I had to miss work today for this. And they mad at me about this.
Okay. So how much time
30 days.
to get this all paid?
Yes, I will.
What about August rent?
Huh?
What about August?
I'm moving out of the apartment I'm at this right now as we speak.
When are you moving out?
I'm moving out as we speak. I should be going out of there by the end of the month because I don't want to live there no more.
Okay, so here's what I'm going to do.
Mhm.
How much time do you need to move out? Oh, there's a money judgment you requested, right? Counsel?
That's correct, Judge.
All right.
Yeah.
Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to adjourn it to August 14th, 2026 at 3 p.m. Defendant says he's moving out. Here's what I'm going to suggest to you in the interim, sir, is that you move out of the premises. This back balance, if you move out before the end of the month, that's where it's going to stop, I think. go into the office or call the attorney's office and try to work out a payment plan to pay this back down.
Okay.
But it's important you got to be out of the unit. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. I don't know what has happened. But it's okay. I'm good. Bridgewater, it's Lanny versus Sarah Lee.
And good afternoon again, Your Honor. Mark Schlesinger appearing on behalf of plaintiff.
Hello.
Hi.
What's your name?
Sarah Lee.
All right. And how much is owing on this?
Judge, this is with court costs $3,494.71.
All right. How are you intending on getting this paid?
Like I said, in the last court hearing, I applied for SER and I filled out the form to prove that I did.
Still haven't gotten an answer?
So I have to reschedule an appointment for them because they need more documents. I've already submitted several, but I think they just need more information. And then I'm planning to pay by the first week of August. And since that means that the August rent would come in, I would also pay for that.
Okay.
Yes.
So that I understand what you're telling me. Right. Somewhere in the week that ends on the 7th,
Yes.
you're going to get this back balance plus August rent paid.
Yes.
I'm going to give her an opportunity to do that, counsel. How much is your monthly rent?
About $1,450 or $1,500, depending on my water bill.
Got it.
I would be happy to get that money in August as well, Judge, so I'm agreeable.
Okay. So
Not
what
that,
I'll do.
not that my agreement makes any decision and it makes any sway in your decision making, Judge.
Okay. Yeah, well, it can help sometimes. I'm going to turn this out to August 14, 2026 at 3 p.m. Now, if you say you won't have anything until the 7th, but just so that you know, if everything was paid by next week, this case would be dismissed.
Yes.
Okay. But if you pay everything by the 7th plus August, same result. It's going to be dismissed.
Understood.
Okay. Thank you. Have a great weekend.
Thanks so much, Judge. Have a great weekend.
You too, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Tiffany Coleman. What?
All right. Where are we on this case?
Judge, they did make a $500 payment this week. The current rent to retain possession is $1,837.83. That does not include the court costs. The court costs are $192.50 for a total of $2,030.33.
All right. Where are you guys on this?
Well, like I said before, we're waiting on the income verification for the rental assistance. So that's still in process. And then I've still been Amazoning and everything, which is how I got the 500. And then, like I said before, I won't really be fine until like mid-August because I have like contract work and stuff coming in. So until then, I'm paying like little by little, clear the
How
balance.
much is your monthly rent?
$1,869. I know.
When you say you're paying little by little, and I'm not addressing you, Miss Awad, because I realize, well, this is a joint and several lease.
Yeah.
Your portion you had paid, right? So whatever happened.
By this stage, the conversation is no longer just about missed rent. The court is weighing whether the tenant's explanation reflects a temporary financial setback or a genuine commitment to resolving the debt. Instead of focusing on assumptions, the judge shifts attention to something more important, whether the promises made in this courtroom will be backed by real action before the next hearing.
Half of 1869 is
Well, I pay $100 more. So I pay
Pardon?
$984. She pays $884.
Pay nine. Okay.
We don't do half.
All right. I don't. Okay. Whatever. But half of that amount.
Hmm.
When would that be paid? Well, no, the full amount. How would you come up with that if I don't give them a judgment to?
So I have like contract work, like I said, I have something for $1,000 on the 16th. Then I have $1,500 coming in by the 16th. Have that I'm doing on the 6th for 300. So like I said, it's like all coming in within the first 2.
Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel